Hi, this cat is called reverse words. What we have to do is create a function that takes a string as an argument, and we have to reverse each word in the string. But note, all spaces in the string should be retained. Let's start printing out the argument and the type of the argument. You will see that this is a string. Yeah. And what happens when we iterate through the string? For a letter in text, print letter. Then we get the individual letters, but I want to work with the words. How can we do that? Well, by converting the string to a list. And we can do it as follows. Print text and then use the split method. There we have it. And it will split the string at every space by default into a list. Let's assign it to text. Text is equal to the text but in a list. And then we can iterate through it for word in text and print the word. Yeah, and how can we reverse the word? Well, as follows, word, and then in square brackets, colon, -1, and that will reverse the words. Yeah, that looks like something we can use, as you can see here. So let's append that to a new variable. Result is an empty string, and every iteration we should add the reverse word to the string. And yeah, let's return the result here, and you will see that it won't work because we don't have any spaces. So let's add them here in the front. Okay. Then we have a space at the start that we should get rid of. We can use slicing for that. Square brackets, and then on the left-hand side, we start with index 1. This letter, the letter E, and we print till the end of the string. Yeah, but is this actually the result we are looking for? Let's have a look. It is false. Why? Because we don't have the double spaces anymore. We didn't put in a argument in the split method, and if you don't put in an argument, it will treat consecutive white space as just white space, so we get rid of the double spaces. If we want to change the behavior, we should put in an argument. In this case, we should put in a white space as an argument, so it will respect the consecutive white space, and in this case, it will return the string in a reverse manner with the double spaces still available. There we have it. Well, let's take this and test it out. Test. Voila, attempt. There we go. Hope this has been useful and helpful. Please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.